What if I told you some succulents actually prefer the darkest corners of your home? And they won't just survive there, they'll quietly thrive. Today we're revealing 8 succulents that do well in a dark room. One of them might already be sitting in your home, silently adapting in ways you didn't expect. Snake plant starts this list with its upright sword-like leaves that seem almost too glossy for a low-light survivor. It can sit in the dullest corner of your room and still look untouched. Some gardeners even joke that it thrives better when ignored, which makes you wonder, how does it stay this perfect in the dark? Christmas cactus grows soft segmented stems that hold their green even when sunlight barely reaches them. It comes from shady forests, so your dark basement won't faze it. And every winter it surprises you with sudden bursts of flowers, almost like it knows exactly when to show up. Jade plant grows plump, coin-like leaves that stay firm even in rooms where sunlight only peeks in for a moment. Shape it into a bonsai and it becomes a tiny sculpture on your tabletop. Its slow but steady growth in near shade almost feels a little mysterious, like it stores up energy in secret. ZZ plant shows off shiny, waxy leaves that look unnaturally perfect for a plant kept in the dark. It's one of the toughest indoor plants you can own, surviving with very little attention. Just don't overwater it, because in a shady spot the soil stays wet longer than you think. Mistletoe cactus has delicate trailing stems that spill over like green threads. It doesn't ask for bright light at all. It actually feels at home in dim corners. Hang it on a shelf and its soft downward drape creates a quiet, almost eerie beauty in low light. Haworthia grows compact rosettes with striped leaves that look like they're painted. It sits happily in shady corners where other succulents stretch and struggle. Under stress, its leaves may turn red or purple, which makes you wonder if it's quietly warning you or just showing off. Gasteria grows thick, flattened leaves marked with dots or streaks, making it look like it's naturally camouflaged. It thrives in indirect light and stays calm even in deep shade. Place it on a bedroom shelf and it adds a dark textured charm without asking for much. Ponytail palm has a swollen trunk that stores water like a secret vault, and long cascading leaves that look like they're streaming ponytails. It prefers bright light, but surprisingly it adapts well in dim corners too. Set it in a quiet corner of your hall and it stands there like a slow-growing sculpture. If these shade-loving succulents surprised you, imagine what else you're missing in the world of indoor gardening. Hit subscribe and like, because the next video might just change the way you see the plants in your home.